This is how to create a PayPal account without a bank account. For this example, I'm using Opera GX as a browser, but Google Chrome is fine as well. We're gonna go to the PayPal website. We're gonna hit sign up. Depending on your situation, you're either gonna click personal or business. I'm just gonna go to personal for this example. Get started. You're gonna enter your email address right here. Go next. We're gonna enter your number. A code will be sent to that number, and we're gonna punch that code in. Now we're gonna create a password for this account. Now it's gonna ask for our personal info, first name, last name, and street address. Agree and create account. Now the next tab right here, it's gonna say shop, send money, and get paid, but we don't wanna enter a bank account. So we're simply gonna exit out of this browser. We're gonna open up a brand new tab and go back to PayPal. And here you see I have access to the account that I just made without having a bank account. That is how you create a PayPal account without using a bank account.